So I call this rainbow sauce because of the colors of the ingredients. So you have to choose colorful ingredients. I'm using medley peppers, some jalapenos, garlic, onions, ginger, fresh parsley, and rosemary. And now also be using some shrimp powder. You don't want this finely blended because you want the chunk to show. That's what will give you the color. So I'm going to be using the food processor instead of the blender for this. More like you just crushing the peppers and all the other ingredients actually. So if you're using the fresh rosemary like I'm doing, you just try to pull the leaves of the, I don't know, the stems or the little branches, whatever they are. And the parsley, you try to pull off as well. So rainbow sauce is a sauce that goes with virtually everything. Everything, as you come to find out. You can have it with your rice. You can have it, I love it with yam balls. You can have it with your kinky, with fried yam, anything, anything. I just make it and leave the jar in my fridge and we just put it on literally everything when I have it made and people love it. Start off with about 2 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil, which is my preferred oil for this, but you could use any oil of choice. And there's no need letting it melt because I really want the aroma and the flavor of the pure coconut oil to still be strong in it when it's done. So no need to let it melt at all. And this cooks for just about 20 minutes and your sauce will be done. That's all it takes. And you have this, saved in a jar in your fridge. It doesn't stay too good on the shelf, I must say. So it's best to leave it in the fridge and just bring it out whenever you need it. And it is so good. This can also be a very good marinade for your chicken, especially. But I mean, most of your meats in general. But sometimes I just put that on my chicken and bake it. And that is good too. When the chicken comes out popping with colors. So I'm adding in my shrimp powder now. And like I said, I'm using this today and not using any seasoning cubes, but feel free to use any seasoning of choice. Some salt. And at this point, our sauce is almost ready. So I'm going to put in a little bit more of coconut oil, about another tablespoon and a half. Mix. And our sauce is ready. How beautiful is this? I really hope you try this one. If you won't try anything, just try this. So I always put them in jars and save in the fridge or give them out, and people love it. So next time you go into the store and you see these medley peppers, especially when they are on sale, think about rainbow sauce and make it. Okay. So today this is what I'm having it with: some fried yam, fried octopus, and some shito on the side. It is good. So until I come your way next time, be loving, be kind, be happy.